it's raining. We're in Cozumel. We just got back from our excursion and it is pouring. Perfect timing. So we're back from our excursion. We're all cleaned up. Well, one of us is clean. One of us is still dirty.
Yeah.
And we had a really good time. It's the Kaokao Chocolate Factory, and we got to make our own chocolate bars. And this is our certificates because we're professional chocolate makers now.
Yep.
Like this, we're professional chocolate makers now.
Yep.
And that means like we can make you some chocolate.
But we're not going to.
But we're not going to. Well, I might.
It's for work.
And so these are the bars that, if you watch the video, these are the ones that me and Jim made. Ta-da! This is for making hot chocolate. I guess one per cup. I meant it's hot chocolate. So what we're gonna do is, oops, that one's broken. So what we're gonna do is we go home, put this in a cup with some hot water. No, I want to put milk in it.
You can use coffee too.
I'm going to put milk in it. I'm going to make milk, put some milk, and then I think I'm going to put in my Nespresso frother, froth it all up, and we're going to have hot chocolate.
Righto.
So we made those with our own grinding hands. When we came back, we smelled like chocolate.
Yeah.
It was a really good experience. We were the only 2 people in the whole tour.
It was just us.
The tours are limited to 12 people. And they have a 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and a 1 p.m. And ours, we were just by ourselves. You can find it online. I'll link it in the description if you want to go. It's something different. I liked it better than the one down by Playa Mia that the cruise offers. I like this one better than the one the cruise offers. How about you?
I liked it a lot better. It was more hands-on, so the other one was just a walkthrough and a kind of like a history lesson. This one you actually got to make the chocolate like we had.
And then we bought some. This is, here you go for comparison. This is ours. And this is the one that we bought. We didn't do too bad. And they give you a recipe, so if you want to make it at home, you can make it at home. Definitely was fun.
Very good.
Definitely recommend it.
And you get to taste different flavors and everything.
Oh, I heard there's a lots of tasting going on too.
Yeah.
We tasted so many different things. We wound up buying the hot chocolate for Christmas Eve. And some chocolate covered raisins and chocolate covered coffee beans.
Yep.
I didn't know we got the raisins.
Yeah, I grabbed those.
Okay, but the coffee beans are really yummy. And Jim grabbed a chili one. Oh, Jim must like the spice now.
I did like the spicy one.
He likes the spicy now.
It's really good.
There you go. And this bag of chocolate we bought, I think it was $44 US. So it wasn't too bad.
Yep.
Chocolate's expensive, but good chocolate is expensive, especially when it uses natural ingredients.
Yep.
So we overall liked the excursion. We would recommend it. Any tips? If you're going, make sure you have the page pulled up from the website, because our taxi driver went the wrong way and she was going to take us to the other chocolate factory in town, even though we told 8 people before we got into the cab where we were going.
Downtown.
And so you might want to pull it up and make sure they see it and know exactly where you're going. Tour guide said that it's happened quite a few times that people get dropped off in the wrong location. And we knew we were going the wrong way, but if somebody didn't know the area, they wouldn't have any clue.
Tomorrow was our last sea day.
We gotta go home.
Yeah, unfortunately.
No, I'm kind of ready to go.
I'll hold down the fort while you go.
No, you have to go home. It's the holidays. We're gonna go home. We have lots planned for the future. We will put a video up tomorrow night on our last sea day, and we will tell you some of the future plans we have.
We made it off of the ship. We're in Cozumel, Mexico.
There we go.
Walking to our chocolate factory thing. Excursion tour.
We booked that online.
We
$50.
booked it online.
$50. 25 each. Gotta take a cab.
So we're gonna go run through port, through little shops and everything. I'm not gonna film it, but I'll see you when we get there, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. Okay, so it is a little different over here. We're just trying to figure out where rings bell. See. All right. All
We're a little
right.
early.
Gracias.
We're at 11 o'clock.
Right. I think that's a beehive. Yeah, you can see where they're coming in and out right there. They're a little shy. Unless it's their waiting area. Goes stairs.
So I want to start here. This is the cocoa tree. So if you see here, we got these little pots and the little flowers.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wow, yeah.
This is where the cocoa fruit comes. Okay. So after 6 months, we will get one of these big fruits, like the size of a coconut. Okay. And you can see here. Okay. This is the fruit. And after 6 months, we will get the bigger one. Okay.
Right.
Oh my god.
If you see, these plants are used to start to dying, because here in Cozumel, the rain have a little percent of salt, so
Okay.
that start to kill the plant. Okay, it's a little difficult to grow the cocoa trees here by that reason. So we need to put water from the wells, like that. Okay, if you see. Across the window, you can see the wall.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so we need to put the water from there,
Okay.
so we can have fresh water to the tree. Okay, yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is the grinding machine. In the old days, we used to have rock of the metate. You know what is the metate? So we grind in that in the old days. So we try to keep that good flavor, and that grinding machine is still having that rocks.
Okay.
So that is only to grind the beans, and then when we got the cocoa liquor, we put the cocoa liquor in this other machine, and here it's the same function. Two rocks making friction and heat. Now
Okay.
it's not working. Is we leave the chocolate there for 17 hours to make the bars.
Oh
Okay?
wow, yeah. Long time.
A lot of time. So we
Awesome.
can come here so we can start the tour.
Okay.
First, I will give you this talk about the process, and then we will make the chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I wanted.
Okay, you can take a seat. Okay. Yes. 1st of November is to remember the kids, and the second is to remember the adults who live with us.
Right.
Okay. So, even here, in the 1st and 2nd of November, we make the hot cocoa here, and we give it bread and like that.
I thought we have all the kids coming for Christmas Eve. I was like, that'd be
You have
perfect. You like it?
I like that.
Okay. So the grinding machine. Okay. It's easier.
You gotta grind it again, baby.
Right?
Yeah. You like to cook?
I hate cooking. I hate cooking. I'll cook because I have to, but I hate it.
I study.
You like
gastronomy.
cooking? Yeah.
But I live in the house for the pandemic.
Oh yeah.
I was born here,
Mhm.
but I moved to Yucatan
Okay.
for the study. But I need to come back.
I'll do that first here.
Since you still grind.
And grind too?
Yeah.
Oh my
at
gosh.
the same time. So
All
you
right, teamwork.
I was like, I can't do
it's
that.
a teamwork.
Yeah.
Careful.
I might be a better grinder.
See? I knew you'd be on grinder.
They don't have other machines that do this for people.
It's part of the tour.
Okay.
Because when you finish, you can say,
I made that."
made this
Yeah.
with all my sweat and blood and
Tears.
yeah. If you see now, the chocolates look more shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, this is, oh yeah, that looks good. This is when he eats the whole bar of chocolate and I didn't
Yeah.
don't get a taste.
I'm like, oh
"Wow."
yeah, I forgot.
Put some on that side.
Yeah. Even that machine works for a lot of hours. When we don't have more clients, we start to turn on the machine because it's very noisy.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Put your finger in there, Jim.
So you like too much Cozumel?
It's nice.
Yes.
We would like to come here once without a cruise and stay for a week or so. Because I bet it would be different without when the cruise people go home.
Yeah.
We've only been here with a cruise.
Oh really?
Yeah. Week 2. Then we can go home on Sunday.
Oh really?
Yeah. For the holidays.
Yeah, I see. You got vacations?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's very good that I start to work here on September.
What an artist you are, Jim. Thumbs up, Jim.